All right, so who's ready to turn a simple map into something straight out of a travel adventure movie? Whether you run a travel business, are planning the ultimate road trip presentation, or just need to show grandma how to get from point A to B without Google Maps, you're in the right place. Let's go. All right, grab your coffee and settle in, because today we're diving into something really fun. Animations on a map. Picture this. You've got a travel business, you're showing clients how to get from point A to point B, or maybe you're just trying to jazz up that educational presentation you've been working on. I've got you covered with a little cartoon animation to make your maps more exciting. Step 1. Let's pull up Canva. First, we need to head over to Elements, and we're searching for a map of the US. When we find one, enlarge it, center it, and give it a little color pop. Brighten things here, darken them there to make it look better. Okay, now the real fun starts. We need a map pin. No map adventure is complete without it. So we go to Frames, pick one, and we are on our way. Let's make this more interesting. We need to add a picture. Let's say it's a couple of grandparents. Oh, cute. They're traveling from Oregon to Alabama for their grandkids' spring break. Pop them onto the map, shrink them down a little, and drag them into the frame. Boom, there they are. Next, we need to add them to where they live, and then duplicate them. We will add this one at their destination stop. Next, we need to connect the dots. We click on Text, choose a dotted line, and then give it a little animation. Once we get the line right, we move it behind the travelers. Choose the line, click on Animate, and choose Wipe. Slow the speed way down. They start in Oregon, head to Alabama, right? Click on the grandparents, then click on these 3 dots, and let's add the timing into it. So we don't want them on the map to start, so let's start them right afterwards. Then we want the line next, so let's make it a little bit shorter. And then at the end, we want this pin right about there. Actually, I don't know why the map is wiping. Let's get rid of that. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.